What's up traders, my name is Layla and welcome back to this week's no-nonsense market recap from Bullish Bear. Talk about a victory. The relief rally we've all been waiting for is finally here, with major indices flashing green and momentum roaring back into the market. Let's talk about it. From Tuesday to Thursday, the NASDAQ shot up over 8%, the S&P 500 jumped 6%, and the Dow muscled its way up more than 5%. So what ignited this market fire? President Secretary Scott Bessent revealed the Trump administration sees an opportunity for a big deal with China. This came just after President Trump signaled Chinese tariffs would come down substantially. Capital Economics now projects US import taxes on Chinese goods could drop as low as 60%. That is a massive relief from the 145% figure that terrified markets earlier this month. Investors also celebrated Trump's confirmation that Fed Chair Jerome Powell would keep his seat despite earlier verbal jabs, but nothing soothes markets quite like central bank stability. The sun was definitely spotlighting solar stocks this week. Sonova Energy, First Solar, and others skyrocketed after news of a potential 3,500% tariff on Southeast Asian panel exporters following investigations into Chinese-linked anti-competitive practices. While traditional markets dance the tariff tango, Bitcoin surged to an eye-watering $94,900, giving long-term holders a $26 billion value boost. Trump's meme coin shot up over 30% after news of a May 22nd gala dinner planned for the coin's 220 biggest holders. Crypto enthusiasts, take notes. In this week's earnings showdown, Tesla stalled with a 20% drop in auto revenue and overall revenue sliding 9% from last year. Meanwhile, Alphabet crushed it, reporting earnings per share of $2.81 on revenue of $90.2 billion, absolutely demolishing analyst expectations of $2.01 earnings per share on $89.1 billion. IBM showed strong guidance, but Intel shares plunged after forecasting Q2 revenue between $11.2 and $12.4 billion, well below Wall Street's $12.8 billion expectation. Next week brings tech earnings from Apple, Meta, Microsoft, and Amazon. Speaking of Apple, Bank of America maintained their buy rating, but trimmed their price tag from $10 to $240. Fed independence, rate cut hopes, and easing trade tensions have finally injected optimism into a market that's bumpier than a penny stock chart. Could this momentum continue? For more updates, tune in next week as we continue to track the market's every move, and subscribe down below for more videos from Bullish Bear. Until next time, manage your risk, stay disciplined, and remember, bears make money, bulls make money, but pigs get slaughtered. See you in the trading room.